How to undo and redo edits in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select an image from your gallery, or tap the camera icon at the top right to capture a new photo. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, start making your edits using the available tools. If you want to undo your last change, look for the undo arrow icon, usually located above the toolbar, and tap it to reverse the most recent edit. To redo any undone changes, tap the redo arrow icon next to the undo button to restore the last undone edit. You can use undo and redo repeatedly to go back and forth through your editing steps until you get the perfect look. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap the check mark to apply the changes. And that's it, now you know how to undo and redo edits in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.